When considering the purchase of such equipment, it is essential to evaluate not only the initial investment, but also the long-term benefits. Modern rapeseed oil processing machinery often incorporates advanced technologies that enhance efficiency, reduce labor costs, and improve the quality of the final product. These systems typically include components like cleaning machines, pressing machines, filtering units, and refining equipment. Additionally, the price can be influenced by the manufacturer's reputation, after-sales service, and customization options. Some suppliers offer modular designs, allowing buyers to choose specific modules based on their needs, which can help control costs. It is advisable to compare quotes from different suppliers. Consider the warranty terms. For those interested in starting a rapeseed oil processing business, understanding the market demand, local regulations, and the availability of raw materials is equally important. Investing in the right equipment can lead to higher profitability and better product quality, ultimately contributing to the success of the venture. Therefore,